Okay, hello and welcome to another video of website building. I know it's not called website building, sorry about that, but I just like to call it that way. Okay, so in this video we are going to be going over how to add pictures into your links. So over here, as you, yeah, okay. So I made a navigation bar, so to keep track on our navigation. That you can see over here, this is the same. There's no stuff down here. I'll get to that in a second. And this is what our final website might look like. So you can see, you scroll down, scroll up, it's the same. Submission, different pages, sorry, I didn't put that in. It's back to focal point, back to home. Blogs, there's blogs over here, virus info, your actions, I haven't put FAQ yet. But this is if you know, this is for coronavirus. And yeah, so this is a website that we are gonna make, but we're not gonna make it on coronavirus, of course not. I'm just gonna make it plain, so not that great. You can make it somehow else, but let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, I want to do is we're gonna go to the link that we want to put a picture there, and we are, yeah, so let me just find where I put the place. Okay, so we want to go to where we put a link. So we put a link over here, and okay, so sorry about that. Let's get rid of this. Don't need center. Let's do text align right. Okay, so let's make this heading 2, and this is the same. It's class button, hashtag, we don't know where it's going to yet. And yeah, let's add another tag over here, and this is gonna be our image tag. So input type equals image, and ID equals image, and alt login. Okay, so what this does is that it's basically just puts the picture where we're gonna put source over here, so src, and inside these parentheses we're gonna put, parentheses, quotation marks, we are going to put the link of the picture on our computer, since it said login, to this, inside this quotation marks. So let's go ahead and find the picture we're gonna put. So I found my picture, so let's go open it up. So if you guys don't know this owl, this little guy over here, so Duolingo owl, so I'm going to use this picture as my link image. So we're going to, okay, let me see, let me show it to you guys. Okay, so with this image, we're going to right click, and let's do rename, so you can just copy the whole entire name, copy. Okay, so let's get it out of here. Okay, let me just drag this back up. Okay, so let's copy it in. So this is a screenshot, so it doesn't have like JPG or JPEG. Yeah, so let's just see how this looks like for now. Wait a second, I forgot something. So we need to put something down here as well. We need to okay, so we are gonna have to put something down here. Let's delete this. We don't need this because it hasn't ended yet. Because this down here, it's still part of the link. Let's put a break and there. Let's put a heading 1 and style goes font family. I don't know what font to use, so I just go with something that people really use. I don't know if people use this, but this is my most remembered one. So Baskerville. Let's put an quotation mark and this side. And let's put the name, like put the words over here. And let's end it with H1 tag. And let's end it over here with a link. And H1 as well. Wait, already. Yeah, there's already there. And oops. Let's just make a center just to even things out. Okay, so let's put a closing tag of center over here as well. Okay, this hasn't been the greatest tutorial of this part series, but I'll try to make it good later on. Okay, let's save this. Let's run it. Let's see it. Okay, so go to your website. Okay, so over here, website. Let me make it smaller so you can see it. So there's this. There's the title, my first website, and the code. Ooh, okay, so if you see over here, just a little picture sign. So that means it hasn't loaded up yet. I don't know why this is showing. So this little picture hasn't shown up yet. So let's see if we did it correct. So let's take this out. Let's put it here. Okay, so sometimes it doesn't rename the whole entire thing. So you need to try and see if there's anything more. So I go to this right, we go there, go somewhere else. Yeah. So that's all. I don't know why it's not showing. Maybe I'll rename it something else. I'll try and rename it something else. So if anybody's having a problem with this as well, sorry about that. I'm trying to fix it. Okay, let's rename it. Let's say Duolingo owl.jpg. Oh, this is why. Because it had an extension called it had an extension PNG. So we need to put that. So let's keep PNG. Let's take this out. And let's put it back over here. So let's copy and paste this and put PNG. So I think that was the problem. Okay, let's try it again. Oops, okay. Website. Your website. Still not showing. Okay, let go to login. Let's see if that works. So weird. I think that's the problem. I haven't put a closing tag of H2, as you can see over here. There's this opening tag, and then put the text inside, and put code inside. Haven't ended it, so I ended it over here. Let's see if that works. Still doesn't work. Strange. Okay, I'll try and fix this, and I'll get back as soon as possible. Okay, sorry about that. As you can see, I changed it up a bit. So, oops, I don't want to put this. I want to put the max style. Okay, so enter. So I changed it up a little bit. So now I know what the problem is. I haven't put the correct source of it. So last time I just copied it down and just put PNG at the end. But I had to put down Duolingo Al because I renamed it. So let's check it out now. Okay, website. Should work this time. Still doesn't work. You know what? I'll just take it out. If you guys know how to do it, which I clearly don't, you can tell me in the comments below. But I'll just get it out for now. Just get it out there. So that was not very nice. That was not very good. Well, yeah, that was a link. I attempted to do it. If you guys know how to do it, please leave it in the comments below. But I'll just put it in the normal way. So center and a tag, ref, hashtag, and class equals button. But I know somehow we'll get there. So I'll try and do trial and error with that, and I'll get back to if I can finish it. So yeah, let's just put things and closing tags. Okay, there we go. This should work. Yeah, this is pretty boring, but it's all we can do now. So yeah, I know you guys may not like this part, but please support me. It's pretty hard making stuff like these. But yeah, this is not that great. So that's part 6 or 7. I can't remember. I think it's part 7. So yeah. So enough about that. I will be back tomorrow with another video that should go smoothly. So see you later. Bye.